Trying a new foundation, sort of. I've tried this one before and I actually love it. I haven't tried it in a long time. See if I still love it. I've raved about this foundation before because it's just so cute. Oh my goodness! This is too cute! Why do I always get surprised with the cutest little things? Like, hey! This is adorable. Okay, this was not an unboxing video. This is the Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup 3W1. I've tried this same shade before and I just hope that I love it. She's beautiful. I also mentioned that on Amazon I bought a top that it doesn't pour out like that. What you do is you put the little squirter and that's it. Anyways, back to trying it on. This is what the bare face looks like. Yes, my face looks very attacked. As you can see, my face is not playing nice. It might just because there's a lot of stuff happening in my life and my skin is reflecting that stress. We're focusing on the foundation. Let's see how it goes. That creamy texture. You just put it on top. And that's why I like that little pump, because it helps you control it a lot more. My fingers are a mess, so I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom, grab some tissues. Did not come prepared. Foundation is bringing back so many memories. Like I remember, and I've talked about this before, that when I wear this foundation, I felt the most beautiful I have ever felt in my life. And maybe that's exactly what I do right now. I feel like the older that we get, the more lessons that we learn. I feel like when we fall, the harder it feels when we fall. A lot of stuff happening this year, but I hope that this is bringing really good memories. Really good memories. The color is looking like it's a really good match. During summer and winter, I don't really change my true color foundation because I wear sunscreen heavily. My face doesn't typically change color as much as my neck and the rest of my body. But I, like if it is summertime, then I'll add more bronzer, and that's kind of how I control the foundation colors. I don't necessarily go and buy a whole different shade for winter or a whole different shade for summertime. And so far, this is looking skin-like. This color, this shade is just so pretty on my face. I am truly in love with this shade. We have hidden, so this was actually a really good time to film. I wasn't gonna film because I had this big frenemy, but this is a good chance for me to kind of show you what it looks like when you have those imperfections and how much it would cover up those imperfections. Let me stop talking so that you can actually see it. Is the final look for this foundation. What do we have to say? Final thoughts about this foundation. I already knew her. I already loved her. We were friends back in the day. We just needed to reunite. We just needed to come back together, reunite, and share how much we love each other. She is still my #1. Yes, I'm corny. That's why you're here. You love me. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.